So I'm going to show you quickly how to make a frozen pizza. So here we go. All right, so as you can see on this little box of pizza, there are two different areas. One for the conventional oven and one for the microwave. So the microwave is pretty simple. It's you put it on a carton, you pull it from the carton, that is, put it on a plate and microwave on high. Most people have the 1100 watt microwave oven, so it only takes 1 minute and 45 seconds. That being said, that leaves you with a pretty soggy pizza, which I don't think anybody truly prefers over the crisp pizza that you would get from an oven. So we will follow those directions. So from the conventional oven, you're going to place the baking sheet in the center of the oven rack, all right? Preheat the oven to 400 degrees, all right? So I don't use a baking sheet. I just use the rack itself, so you can do whatever you want at that point. So then you remove the pizza from the carton and unwrap. So I'm going to do that now and try to do that with one hand here as I'm videotaping. All right. See, we have strawberries and blueberries there. That will go with our pizza as well. Obviously, like I said before, you want to make sure that you have a component to your meal that is healthy, like a fruit or a vegetable at every meal. Okay, so there's our pizza. So what I'm going to do is I'm acting like a cooking show here. I've made one in advance, right? So I'm going to move this up to 400 degrees. So it's on bake, and then you hit start, and when it's all set, it'll beep like that, okay? That means that the oven is ready to go. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to get a plate here, okay? And like I said, this is one that I started 12 minutes ago, and I'm able to get the pizza here and put it on the plate. All right, so that's the done one. So to start off, it's at 400. You put it right in the center, okay? Like I said, you know, they suggest using a rack. Obviously, you use the oven mitt and close the door, and then you're ready to go. Now, the box says that you want to cook it for 12 to 14 minutes. You always want to start with what? That's right, the lowest time. Because if it's all done in 12 minutes, we don't want it to cook for 2 more. So in that amount of time, it will then be done. Well, at least we'll check to see if it's done. Now this one, actually, I set it for 12 minutes, and that's when it came out. It looks pretty good, as you can see underneath. All right, the little crunch there. And we're all set, ready to go, and have my daughter here eat it. So once again, it's a pretty simple meal. It's a safe meal. You know, you want to make sure, like I said, to preheat the oven first. If you put it in before it's preheated, it won't cook evenly. You want to make sure that it's in the center rack. Once again, see how it's in the middle, and it's basically, right? It's in the middle, all right? There's plenty of room up top. There's plenty of room on the bottom, okay? And in that case, you'll have a nice, crispy, delicious pizza. Well, as delicious as frozen gets, I guess. So enjoy and have lunch.